Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited because we've got something really cool to unbox. I'm talking about the Redragon Kumara mechanical keyboard. This is a popular option if you're looking for a solid mechanical keyboard without breaking the bank. Let's take a look at the packaging. It's actually pretty simple, just the clean standard box design. But when we open it up, you can see it's well protected with some bubble wrap. This is actually a huge plus, because it ensures the keyboard won't get damaged during shipping. Inside the box, we've got the usual user manual, which is super helpful if you're new to mechanical keyboards. You also get a keycap remover tool, and there are some extra keycaps included as well. Here it is, the Redragon Kumara mechanical keyboard. First impressions? It feels solid, with a matte finish that gives it a sleek look. The build quality is great, not too heavy, but definitely sturdy enough for daily use. The keycaps are firm, and you can really feel the satisfying mechanical click when you press them. The design is clean and simple, perfect for anyone looking for a no-nonsense keyboard. Now, let's take a look at the USB cable. It's a thick braided cable, so you're getting that extra durability. Alright, now let's check out the RGB lighting. Once you plug it in, you get a full range of colorful effects to choose from. The RGB is bright and vibrant, and you can easily switch between lighting modes to match your vibe, whether you want a smooth wave effect or a solid color. Definitely a fun feature. Okay, now let's check out the RGB lighting, but this time in a dark setting, so we can really see the full effect. Look at that! The RGB is seriously vibrant, the colors pop, and the lighting is really smooth. You've got plenty of different lighting modes to choose from, like this wave effect, or you can just set it to a solid color if that's more your style. Whether you're gaming, working, or just vibing out, the RGB options are a great touch to add some flair to your setup. All in all, I'm really impressed with the Redragon Kumara mechanical keyboard. It's affordable, well-built, and offers customizable RGB lighting for a fun experience. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, high-quality mechanical keyboard, this one's definitely worth checking out. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more unboxings and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.